Hey, it's Midthinker here. Today, I'll fire up the griddle for the first time to smash some burgers. It's also my very first time ever cooking on a griddle, so let's get to it. Smash burgers have become very popular in recent years because they're known for the thin, crispy patties and how simple it is to get that incredible juicy flavor. To start off, we'll need some ground beef with higher fat content. I'll be using 1 pound of 80-20 and 1 pound of 75-25. Let's take the ground beef and make it into loosely packed balls. If you divide them equally, you should be able to get 6 out of 1 pound package. Make sure to pack them loosely so they can be smashed into a very thin patties. But first things first, let's get some onions on the griddle to soften them up and caramelize them. You can't leave out the caramelized onions in the smash burger. This will be the ingredient that will take the longest to cook. Now the onion is ready, set that aside and throw on the ground beef balls on the griddle. Smash some beef balls into thin patties and sprinkle some salt and pepper and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. While the beef patties are cooking, brush melted butter on the bun and put it on the griddle. Go ahead and flip the patties and sprinkle a little more salt and pepper. Throw on some onion on the patties and add Kraft Singles cheese slices. I left the bun on the griddle a little too long, so don't be like me and try not to burn the buns. Let's try another one. Now all the cooking is done, so let's go inside and put this burger together. I'm going to keep it simple and use Duke's mayo and regular yellow mustard. Spread them on the bun and throw everything together, and now you have a complete smash burger. God bless America. This is a beautiful burger. There you have it. My first time ever smash burger on the griddle. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Please also check out my Instagram handle at Midthinker. Thank you for watching and keep mid-thinking.